No-fault auto insurance, what it means for Alberta. If you've heard about Alberta's move to a no-fault auto insurance system, you might be wondering what it means for you. In this video, we'll explain how this change might affect you and anyone you know who is injured in a motor vehicle accident. What is no-fault auto insurance? Starting January 1, 2027, Alberta will adopt a no-fault auto insurance system. Under this model, if you're injured in a motor vehicle accident, you will have to look to your own insurance company for compensation, rather than being able to sue the at-fault driver. Access to the courts to seek fair compensation for pain and suffering will only be available in limited circumstances, such as where an at-fault driver is convicted of criminal code offenses or select major offenses under the Alberta Traffic Safety Act. This is a significant shift from Alberta's current system, which allows injured parties to pursue the at-fault driver and their insurance company for fair compensation. That includes compensation for things like pain and suffering, loss of income, future care costs, and out-of-pocket expenses. There are important ways that no-fault insurance will change things for Albertans. No-fault limits your rights and access to justice. You won't be able to sue an at-fault driver for damages anymore. You also lose access to the courts, as an objective decision-maker, if negotiations do not produce a fair result. Instead, your insurance company will decide what benefits you're entitled to with fewer ways to hold them accountable. Another concern is that the benefits you receive may be capped, or not enough to cover your needs. Insurance companies are businesses like any other, they are focused on generating profits for shareholders. In the benefits context, this means the party deciding the amount of your benefits is motivated to keep benefit payouts as low as possible to maximize profits. Under no-fault, you will not be able to go to court to ensure your benefits decisions are fair and adequate to meet your needs, and you may struggle to get the full compensation you deserve. While there's talk of saving premiums under no-fault, experience from other provinces shows a different reality. Any initial premium reductions are often short-lived. For example, in British Columbia and Ontario, premiums eventually rose, leaving consumers paying more in the long run. In fact, in Alberta's case, premiums will actually increase for the next 2 years. Starting in 2025, insurers can raise premiums for everyone, including good drivers, by up to 7.5% annually. That means Albertans will see higher insurance bills well before any promised savings ever materialize. Ultimately, the financial reality is unlikely to favor consumers, but it will definitely benefit the insurance industry. Finally, navigating the new system on your own will be challenging. The government argues the new system will make the claims process easier and prioritize care. However, it's expected to work like Alberta's Workers' Compensation Board, which many people find complicated and frustrating to deal with. These changes raise serious concerns for Albertans. What can you do? Your voice matters. Reach out to your MLA or government officials and share your concerns about no-fault insurance. Government officials can be contacted by typing the following links on your browser. You can also stay updated by following groups like Fair Alberta, who are fighting for your rights. What stays the same for now? For now, Alberta's current tort system remains in place until January 2027. This means that if you're injured in an accident anytime before then, you still have the right to file a claim against the at-fault driver. You'll also have the right to seek compensation for general damages for pain and suffering, loss of income, loss of housekeeping capacity, future care costs, and out-of-pocket expenses through the court system, if a fair resolution cannot be obtained through negotiations with the at-fault driver's insurance company. Similarly, if you have a claim that is already in progress, it will not be affected. What happens if I have a claim before the new no-fault insurance comes into effect? If you're involved in an accident, don't wait. Starting your claim now ensures it will be handled under the existing rules, protecting your right to access the court system for fair compensation. We've been helping Albertans with personal injury claims for over 60 years. Our team is committed to protecting your rights and guiding you through these changes. Stay informed, stay proactive, and know that we are here to support you every step of the way.